Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur the background of a video in CapCut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring the background of a video in CapCut on PC is a great way to focus attention on the subject of the video while keeping the background less distracting. So, once you open the CapCut on PC, I want you to click the Create a New Project to begin your work or to start from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. Now, while CapCut doesn't offer a direct one-click blur background effect, you can achieve this effect with the following steps using the masking tool and blur effect. So, once it's in place, I want you to click on the video that I wanted to create a blur. In my case, I'm going to be clicking the zoom out so that we can have a smaller clips of our timeline, and I'm going to add like another layer or an overlay here. I'm going to library, I'm going to click on the green screen. I'm gonna add this this specific timeline clip here. This one right here. I'm gonna click on it. Just around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna copy this here with two of them, and the first one is I'm gonna make sure to remove the background. How? Click the remove background on the 4 tabs under video, basic, remove BG. I want you to click the auto removal. What will happen is it's processing right now. It will remove the background for this specific clip. Takes a little while depending on the speed of your computer or your PC. Okay, so once it's done, hopefully it will remove the background without any problem. Now if it don't take effect, let's undo that, and then let's try to use the chroma key instead. But pick this one. I'm gonna delete that. Takes a little while, and then once it's done, now, as you can see, you have like 2 dinosaurs here. And then on the second video, I want you to go to the blur background. How? Go to basic. Go to the effects panel here on the top left corner. And let's search for blur. Press enter. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to be using this blur. Drag it to the second video. You see that? And of course, click the video and go to the basic editing, which has the blur now. And as you can see, we have created a blur effect for as a background here in CapCut. It's very easy. Now, let's try to use another blur. Since I'm not satisfied, I'm gonna undo it. Maybe this one would do, would suffice. Let's see what we got. I'm going to try out this motion blur right here. What will happen is you can increase the blurriness in effect. And if you click that from the very beginning, we will be able to create a blur effect in our background of our video. Alright, you can experiment with different blur background to your desired effect. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.